Class, I'm your teacher Don Kavi, a serial entrepreneur and host of this channel where we talk about all things entrepreneurship and making your passion your life. Today we're going to talk about stock options such as phantom stock or EARs and the benefits that will motivate your startup team. But first, if you're interested in entrepreneurship, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be the first to know when a new video drops. Let's get into it. One of the greatest perks of being an entrepreneur is owning your own business. When you're an owner of a business, you have perks, but you also have responsibilities. The bottom line, and hopefully one day, a very profitable business will be yours. Now, what might be the best way to recruit and motivate employees to have the same drive and make the company profitable? Make them owners too. Well, partial owners. In the startup world, there are tools founders can use to help recruit and motivate their team, called phantom stock or EARs, which in short means equity appreciation rights. The textbook definition of phantom stock is deferred compensation that provides the employee an award measured by the value of the employer's common stock. However, unlike actual stock, the award does not actually confer equity ownership in the company. Equity appreciation rights, or EARs for short, are like phantom stock. The only difference is that they provide the right to monetary equivalent of the increase in the value of a specific number of shares over a specific number of time. So what we're explaining here is that phantom stock and EARs are a way to motivate employees to be thinking like they're owners of a company without actually giving stock away. There are two good reasons why we want to do this as founders. Number one being is we need to test employees. We don't know how a person will fit into a startup team before they join. We might think we know, but in reality, it could be great or it could be a disaster. For this reason, it is much less risky to give someone phantom stock or EARs because they will not vest right away. We set up what's called a vesting schedule. It's a period of time. I've seen it as common as up to 3 years where the stock or EARs vest. And with many of these plans and startups, I've seen that they're not of value to the employee unless the company is sold. Another reason for this is personal tax of the team member who will be receiving the benefit. The IRS taxes stock as income if you're gifting it to them. So if you give someone $50,000 of stock, the IRS is going to see that as $50,000 more in income. I know this doesn't make a lot of sense because stock in a startup is on paper, but that's what they do, and it's often much better strategy to give the person phantom stock or EARs. In this event, they'll be taxed at the time when the company is sold. They will then have to pay the tax bill, not at the time of joining the company. So if you're wondering how you can recruit as startup team members and you don't have a lot of money, EARs might be your answer. Typically, they are used with a lower base salary and the EARs are on top to motivate the new team member. There are a lot of tools in the entrepreneur's toolbox to get a company off the ground, and today we learned one more. So stop hesitating and let's get working on your idea. I'll see you in the next vid. Ciao.